Last week was marked by a key event for the U.S. economy, the transition of power to a new president. On Thursday, Joe Biden was sworn in as the 46th President of the United States. The reaction of markets was positive and risk appetite improved significantly. Traders expect Biden and the Congress, which is now under Democratic control, to roll out a massive rescue package of $1.9 trillion. Janet Yellen, a nominee for the U.S. Treasury Secretary, supported the spending plan. The U.S. dollar index fell to 90 points, having lost 0.7% over the week. It was the worst session for the greenback since the beginning of the year. Persistent concerns over the coronavirus situation capped further losses of the U.S. currency. The euro gained 0.82% against the US dollar. The single European currency strengthened after the ECB declared on Thursday it would keep its monetary policy unchanged, despite ongoing deep deflation in the region. Meanwhile, the British pound hit a 2.5-year high on Wednesday. However, it closed the week with a downward correction after UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said the national lockdown could be prolonged until summer. Still, the sterling managed to post a weekly gain of 0.71%. Forex market experts remain quite optimistic about the pound, as the Bank of England does not plan to cut its key interest rate. In the meantime, Bitcoin dropped by 7.57% after rallying to all-time highs in recent weeks. As a result, the number one cryptocurrency settled at $32,132. Analysts say the main reason for Bitcoin's fall is a downward correction caused by profit-taking on long positions by large crypto investors. Oil finished the previous session with losses. Brent was last seen trading at 55.26. Prices declined on mounting worries over weak fuel demand amid tighter quarantine restrictions. In addition, traders were disappointed by the industry data showing a rise in U.S. oil inventories. Gold, on the other hand, resumed its uptrend. Last week, the precious metal advanced by 0.4% on rising fears over a slower global economic recovery. The preliminary data on business activity indices of major economies pointed to a continuing downturn. You've watched Combined Financial Review on InstaTV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to always keep track of all the latest events on financial markets. See you back soon.